So it's almost 10 o'clock on Saturday morning, and we're going to examine Blizzard 2010. Yep. And supposedly this is supposed to continue on for the majority of the day. Oh, the light looks like it has a hat or something. You can't really tell, but underneath those two large mounds there's a Ford Explorer, a Nissan Armada. You know what?
What?
You have something to say.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, are you taking a picture?
I was taking a video. Can you say good morning? And then behind the Ford Explorer is my Jetta, which I'm sure you can't even come close to seeing, but we'll look out the back door. If I had fallen into that, you would have been so dead.
Wait, you want to...
So in the back there's the table and all of the trees. So, and it's, as you can see, still falling pretty heavily, so doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Well, we'll put in another update later today. See ya.